Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect to the VLSI servers and how to launch different software such as TCAT, HSPICE, Cadence, etc. on these servers. You might be wondering why do we even need a server and what is the function of server? So let me explain. Suppose you need to use software that costs hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. Buying that software on your own would be unrealistic, right? Instead, our department purchases the software and installs it on a big computer, which you can access remotely. This big computer can be called as a server. So at our university, we have VLSI servers where a variety of software has been installed. In this tutorial, I will guide you through connecting to these servers from your personal computer and launching the software. So for that, we need to install two softwares. The first one is Pulse Secure, or the new name is Ivanti, and the second one is MOBA Extra. Download MOBA Extra. You need to just type MOBA Extra, UTK MOBA Extra, UTK download, and you need to go to this website, the first website, SSH Access. So if you go there, you will get the instructions to download and install the mobile system. Let's install it. So let me click on Get Mobile System now. So just download the home edition, which is free. So I am using the installer edition. Download somewhere. It will be downloaded in a few seconds. So after downloading, I have extracted the zip file, and after extracting, I get these two files in the folder. So let's run this installer file. Typical installation procedure of a software. Let me just click on finish, and I think this is finished. So let me search that software in my Windows. So as you can see, it's already there. So let me just start that mobile exam. Okay, let's open it, and the mobile exam will open. Okay, so this is the interface of mobile star. So to create a new session, so you just need to go here, session, the top left corners, this icon. You have to click on this, and then you have to click on SSH, the first icon here. So now here you have to type the VLSI server name. So I'm trying to connect to VLSI 10 server. So I'm typing VLSI 10.eecs.utk.edu and a colon, then 99. Okay, then select the specify username, and here instead of default you have to type your net ID. In your case, you have to type your net ID. Okay, so let's press OK here. Then this kind of window will appear. So this is the interface of Mobile Extra. Sometimes it may ask for a password. I mean, then you have to enter your net ID password actually. I mean, the password for your net ID. But in this case, they didn't ask for any password. So let's go with that. Let's make a directory. I mean, suppose you want to do some coursework for your EC 491 or 599 course. So let's make a directory for that. To make a directory, you have to type a command mkdir to make a directory. So you have to type exactly like that. Mkdir, then space, then you have to type the directory name. Suppose in our case, EC 491 or 599. So let me just use EC 491. So next I have to press enter. Then there will be a new directory. So the directories will be shown in this left panel. So you have to refresh after making a directory. So here is a refresh button. So you have to click here. It will be refreshed, and you will find your folder right here. As you can see, EC 491. So just go inside that. Okay. So to go right now, as you can see, this is my home directory. So I want to enter into this EC 491. To do that, I mean to enter into EC 491 folder, you have to just write a command cd, then the folder name, which is EC 491. Okay, then press enter. So you are currently in the EC 491 folder. Okay. So now we for simulating some HSPICE codes, we need to upload models, right? So to simulate transistors in your circuit, we typically use PTM MG models, which was developed by Arizona State University. So we have to upload those model files. So let me just upload those model files. So to upload something in this directory, I need to use this upload feature. As you can see, there is a green up arrow button. So you have to click here to upload something, and you need to navigate to where you have saved your uh, PTM files. So in my case, so this is PTM file, I mean folder. So before uploading this, we have to make it a zip file like that. So you can just make a zip file. We have to upload this file. So let's just click this on this ptmmg.zip and then click open. It will start uploading this zip file. Now we have to unzip this ptmmg file or folder. So to do that, let's go back to the terminal, and we have to type the command unzip pt. Then we have to write the name of the zip file, which is ptmmg.zip. Then press enter. It will unzip the folder. Okay. So if you want to see the folder, you have to refresh this folder view again. So if I refresh, then as you can see that this is the unzipped version of the ptmg files. From here, you can actually simulate any HSPICE code in this folder. Now, so to load HSPICE, we have to type a command. So to load HSPICE, we have to write module load. Then we have to start typing HSPICE. I have written HSP. I don't want to write the whole thing. So the computer, I mean, the server will do this for me. How? We have to just press tab from the keyboard. Okay. Then there should be a version name as well. So HSPICE, then a slash, then there should be a version name, which is typically a ER actually. So let me type that. Let me press tab from the keyboard again. So this is the full module name actually of HSPICE, as you can see. So if we, after pressing tabs, we get the full HSPICE module name, and then we have to press enter. Okay, this will actually load the HSPICE module, and then we have to load another important software to work with HSPICE, which is Web Viewer. I mean Web View. So to upload, so to load that, we have to type again the similar command module load, then wave. I don't want to, I'm lazy, I don't want to type the whole module name, so I have just written WAV, then I will press tab, then again tab, and this will write the whole module name for me, and then press enter, and this will be the web view will be loaded. And to open, okay, so we also need to upload some codes in this folder, right? You will be given some codes to play with, so let me upload those codes as well. So again, I will use this upload feature here. So suppose this is one example for DC demo. This is let's press open, and it will just upload the code. Now, how to edit this code, or how to view this code? So to do that, we use another software which is called gedit. So let me open that. So to open gedit, we need to type gedit, I mean gedit space and then ampersand sign. Okay, then press and enter, and it will open the gedit window. It may take some time. Okay. Okay, this is the gedit window actually. From here, you can open the DC demo code that I have just uploaded. So to open that file, just go to this open in the top left corner. So here, you have to go to other documents. And here you have to navigate, maybe you have to navigate through the folders to find your code actually. So let's go to the folder EC491, and then you will find the code DC demo v1 SP that I have just uploaded. So let's click open, and this will open the HSPICE code. And from here, you can just edit the code and do your own stuff. And another thing is, so we have already loaded the wave view. Okay, so if we want to open the wave view interface, we need to type WV space ampersand this command in the terminal, and then press enter. This will open up the wave view window. So that's it for this section. Thank you for watching.